Good day, my name is John Whitehead. I'm the owner of Losloo Quality Beef, free range beef. I often get asked the question, why is my beef different than what you see on the shelves out there? I think we are what we eat, and when it comes to free range beef, they usually are fed on clovers, grass and pastures, whereas the beef from feedlots are mainly fed on mealies, oats and grains. Therefore the taste in itself will be different. Secondly, when it comes to healthy beef, I can assure you no routine antibiotics or growth stimulants or implants are used in the cattle. Antibiotics is only used when I have to save an animal from dying, whereas in the feedlots routine antibiotics are used to prevent diseases and illnesses, as well as implants and hormones. The customers out there are well informed, and they, through internet and through social media, they know the difference between feedlot and free range. I don't need to educate them on that. The only thing I can do is state you the facts. The choice, what you want to buy out there, is up to you. Until we meet again, bye.